talk and spend every day together. But something's changed, no longer a priority. Consumed with ourselves and nobody else. See, it's obvious we're not the same. I really want to know, where did we go wrong? Where did we turn our backs on you? I really want to know, will it ever get easier? Will it ever get easier, easier? Take me to that place that I